Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me, what's your name?
My name is Akanksha Singh.
Okay, now tell me something about yourself.
So, my name is Akanksha Singh and I hail from Ghazipur and currently I am living in Lucknow. My family consists of 4 members including me. My father is an army man and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is to play volleyball and kho-kho. That's all about me.
Okay, currently you are living in Lucknow. So could you tell me how many best friends do you have?
I have no best friends, honestly.
You don't have any best friend. So whom do you tell your secrets?
Generally, I tell my secrets to my father only.
To your father only? Why?
Because I believe in my father more than myself. I need my father for everything.
Okay, that's good. So Akanksha, tell me about your daily routine. What's your daily routine?
Well, I get up in the morning at 5 a.m. and after getting fresh, I go for a run, go for running and some physical work, and then I come back at 6:30, and I read newspaper for an hour, and then at 7:30 a.m. I take my breakfast and get ready for my school, and then at 8:40 I leave for my school and come back at 1:50. And after having lunch, I take a small nap between 2:30 to 2:50, and then I get ready for my academy, and then at 3 I leave for my academy classes, and then at 6 I come back home and take rest for an hour, and then from 7 to 9 I do self study, and then at sharp 9 p.m. I have my dinner, and after having dinner for an hour I study, and at sharp 11 I go to bed.
Okay, it's your daily routine, and you told that you have 4 members in your family. So could you tell me who is closer to you, your mother or father?
My father is more closer to me.
Why?
Even though my mother got the fun part of my parenting, and I enjoyed everything with her, but I need my father because I love him more than anything else.
Do you know, everybody has something strong in them and something weak, right? So just tell me about your strengths and weaknesses.
My greatest strength is I am self-motivated person, and my communication skills are very good. Moving towards my weaknesses, my greatest weakness is taking on too much responsibilities, and I need a proper meal. Without any proper meal, I can't think and I can't concentrate on my work, and that's my weakness, and I'm working on it, and I'm sure I can overcome with this problem.
Okay, now tell me, which force do you love most? This form: Army, Air Force, Navy.
In army, because since childhood I have seen my father that he has serving the nation, and that become an inspiration to me. That's why I want to join Indian Army.
You love Indian Army. Okay, so tell me, where is headquarter of Indian Army?
In New Delhi.
And which is the nearest army command to your hometown?
Central Command of Lucknow.
Do you know what's the difference between infantry and artillery? Central Command, Lucknow. And do you know what's the difference between infantry and artillery?
Soldiers who fight the war with the help of only rifles or gun, etc., and mechanized infantry use tanks for the war.
Okay, Akanksha, that's good. You are good in communication, and you are physically fit also. So my last question is, why should I recommend you?
Because I have the ability to influence my group, and I have that determination, that courage, and that stamina to be an officer. And my speed of decision making is also good. That's why I think I should be recommended.
Which is your special characteristics which makes you different from the others, that is unique from the others?
I have the social adaptability, and I think I'm juvenile in nature, so I can influence anyone with my nature.
Okay, thank you and all the best for your journey ahead.